Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss this 2D sketch. How to draw this 2D sketch by using AutoCAD. So initial settings, please check the initial settings. Units, 0, millimeters, okay. Limits, 0, 0, 420, 297, Z enter, A enter. Format, dimension style, modify, symbols and arrows. Arrow size is 3. Text height is 5. Primary units 0. Okay. Set current. Close. Okay. Now, what is the dimension of this one? If you see, first one initially draw the circle. What is the circle radius? 27 radius. Please check the dimensions before starting only. Why? Because later on, if something mistake happens, you have to delete entire sketch. 54. Okay. Now we are moving. Later on, what is next to diameter? 74. That is 37. Okay. What is the outer one? 94. 94. 94 means 47. Please check the dimensions. Afterwards, draw the horizontal and vertical. Make sure that ortho is on. Make sure that ortho is on. Okay. Okay. Now, in the sketch, what is given to us? It is a 100 radius. It is of 123. That means, what is the outer diameter? 100 plus 23. That is 123. 100 minus 23. That is 77. Similarly, 100 plus 12. 112. 100 minus 12. How much it is? 88. So with these dimensions, I am drawing a series of circles. 100 radius. Okay, I am using the command offset. You can draw directly circle also. I am using this command offset. Offset. Offset of how much? 23. Offset of 23. You already know how to do the offset. In which direction you want, just click on the object and the direction select the direction. Similarly, I am repeating the offset again. Enter. Specify. Now offset distance is 12. This is my center line. One outside, one inside, and another one outside. So these are the series of lines. This one is our main 100 radius. Outer circle is 100 minus 23, 177. 100 minus 12, 88. 100 plus 12, 112. 100 plus 23, 120. These are the series. Now we want this sector only, such that this line makes a 30 degrees with respect to the vertical. So how to draw that one? By using the command @ L less than theta. Click on the line command, click on the center, use the command @ give some arbitrary dimension 300 length less than angle. What is the angle? Angle, remember one thing, always it starts from 0, 90, 180, 270, and it is making an angle with respect to vertical. Now 270 plus 30 means 300. Okay. Similarly, on the other direction, @ 300 less than, what is the value? This is 270. Now 270 minus 30 means 240. Okay. Except these dimensions, I am trimming all the remaining. TR double enter. I am removing all those things because I don't want that one, all those things. Okay. Right. Now, what is the radius of this circle? What is the radius of this? Is 12. 12 radius. Similarly, this side also 12 radius. Circle, and this side 23 radius. Similarly, 23 radius. Later on, observe the design thoroughly. Observe the design thoroughly and trim the required portions, unwanted portions. I'm trimming all these things which are un unwanted as per the design given to us or 2D sketch that is given to us. Okay. Okay. Now you can observe that web thickness is 36. So what I will do is I will make a offset of this line. How to do the offset command? Modify offset, give the thickness as 18. From the center it is 18, right? So in this direction 18, this direction 18, such that the total distance from here to here is how much? From here to here, how much? 36. Okay. Trim unwanted portions. This one I don't need. Check the design again and again. Which one are required, which one are unrequired. We check it. Later on, there is some distance here at 10 radius now. Use the command tan radius from the circle. Tan radius. This is my first tangent. This is my second tangent of radius 10. Trim the remaining. Here double enter. This one I don't need. This one I don't need. This one also I don't need them. This one I don't need that one. This one I also I didn't know. Okay. Now here also we need the radius of 9 radius, right? Draw circle tan radius. This is my first tangent. This is my second tangent, radius 9. TR double enter. Okay. So there is a feasibility. You can delete this side, make a mirror of with respect to this vertical. How? Modify mirror, select the entities, enter with respect to this vertical line. You can do any way. You can redraw this one again and again, or you can use the commands. If you are thorough with the draw and modify toolbar, within a short span you are able to draw all those things. Okay. Give the dimensions, angular dimensions from vertical to this line. What is the angle? 30. Similarly, modify, dimension, angular from here to here. What is the angle? 30. Later on, what we have to do on the periphery of this 74 circle, there are small circles, right? So on the horizontal, draw a circle of radius, how much? 6. So we have to do the polar array. Modify array, polar array. Select the object. Object is selected. Click on the enter. Specify the center point. Here you go. The 6 entities, what we desired. is appears. Now what we have to do, give the dimensions for the all the entities. Dimension, linear, 74. Similarly, dimension, diameter of the outer circle, how much it is? 94. Right. Then 100 radius circle, na? Dimension, radius. What is the radius? 100. Similarly, dimension, radius. What is the radius of this one? 23. Similarly, dimension, radius. What is the dimension of the inner one? 1. So this is now what we have to do. We have to convert these axis lines into this center line into axis lines. How? In the bilayer, there is a second box is there. This is the line type. Click on that one. Go to other. One dialog box is open here. Load, load. Select the center line. Center line. Okay. Okay. It will be imported here. So click on that circle and apply that center line. You can observe that one was changed. Similarly, these are the axis lines now. Axis line converted to center lines. Similarly, this one is also center line. Okay. Similarly, this one, the 100 radius circle also, it is also a center line. So in this way, we have to complete the sketch. Please check the dimensions. And another one. What is the radius of this small circle? This one is also there, no? 6 radius. 6 radius or 12 diameter. Give the dimensions as per the sketch given to you. Diameter 12. Use the command text. Text start point, text height 0, 6. Oh. The command text start point 5, 0, 6 holes of 12 diameter. Okay. Enter. Next one. Again take the text, select the object, make sure the text height is 10 or something big, write the quadrant. In the design it is like that, no? Just write it all those things. In this way we have to reproduce this 2D sketch that is given to you by using AutoCAD software. In the next video we are going to discuss the remaining sketches that are similar to it. You can observe if you are thorough with this draw and modify toolbar, it becomes very easy to draw. There are multiple ways. Some may use the through proper channel everything. Some may use the shortcut commands. Whatever. It's based on the practice. Okay. Thank you.